and welcome back to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. Today, we're going to learn how to add tax types like VAT, for example, so that you can easily access them when you create an invoice or price quote. Here's how you can do it. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and go to Settings. Under the Finance and Payments section, go to Getting Paid. Scroll down to the bottom and under the Taxes section, click on Add New Tax. On this pop-up window, enter the tax name, for example, VAT or value added tax, and then input the rate over here. By the way, this will vary depending on which country and or state you're in, so be mindful and seek advice from an accountant or professional to ensure you follow regulations and proper tax rates. Then click on Save. That's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.